Okay, now read this.
Caesar salad with a side of anchovies.
See? I hate anchovies, but that sounds delicious.
Excuse me, barkeep. Can I trouble you for a couple of pints? It's for my new lady friend. Man, this accent thing is amazing. You were right. Look, you can literally say anything, and women love it. Excuse me, has anyone ever told you you've got an absolutely lovely bosom? See? I just told that girl she's got nice boobs, and I'm still standing here. Oh, try it.
Hello, Ducky. What are you having today?